Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you Revolut Bank review. So let's get started. So Revolut started as a fintech company offering currency exchange and payment solutions. Over the years, it has transformed into a fully fledged digital bank, providing a wide range of financial services, including personal and business accounts, cryptocurrency trading, budgeting tools, and more. So in this video, we'll be discussing the key features, pros and cons, and then after that would be the conclusion. So now let's head over to the key features. So number one would be account types and plans. So Revolut offers you standard account, premium account, metal account, and ultra account right here. And it also has the plus one, which is this one right here. So when you scroll all the way down, you will be able to see all of the types that Revolut offers. So now for the standard account, this is the one with the basic banking features, including international money transfer, budgeting tools, and virtual cards. And for the plus account, this would be the one that offers you enhanced features such as purchase protection, ticket cancellation insurance, and access to exclusive card designs. For the premium account, it would offer you additional benefits such as overseas medical insurance, priority customer support, and exclusive card designs. For the metal account, it would provide you all premium features plus a metal card, cashback on purchases, and a higher ATM withdrawal limit. And finally, on the Ultra account, that would offer you the most premium experience with additional perks like airport lounge access, higher cashback rates, and enhanced travel insurance. So with this one, you can decide which account would best suit you. So number two would be currency exchange and international payments. So Revolut would offer you competitive exchange rates with over 30 currencies supported. So it is also free international transfers within Revolut users and low fees for non-Revolut recipients. And now number three would be the cryptocurrency and stock trading. So with Revolut, you can buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies directly from the app. You can also have access to stock trading with commission-free trades up to a certain limit based on your plan. And now, number four would be the budgeting and analytics. So with Revolut, you would have in-app budgeting tools to track spending and set financial goals. You would also have detailed analytics to help manage your finances more effectively. And now the last one for the key features would be the saving vault. So with saving vaults, you can create multiple saving vaults for different goals. And you would also have the option to earn interest on savings in selected countries. So that is basically it for the key features of Revolut. But of course, it has so much more features than just what is stated here in the video that Revolut can offer. So you can just feel free to explore them. Now let's head on to the fees and charges here in Revolut. So for the account fees, if you have the standard account, it is basically free. And for the premium and metal accounts, you have monthly fees. And for the ATM withdrawals, you are free up to a certain limit based on the plan, and a small fee is applied beyond the limit. And for the currency exchange, no fees up to a certain monthly limit for standard and premium accounts. Beyond that, a small fee is applied. And for the international transfers, it is free within Revolut users. However, it has low fees for others, which is really good. So now let's head over to the user experience. So the Revolut app is highly rated for its user-friendly interface and seamless navigation. It is available for both iOS in the App Store or Play Store on Android. It offers an intuitive experience for managing all aspects of your financial life. And in terms of customer support, it is available via in-app chat, email, and phone. And for the premium and metal account holders, they receive priority support. And now it's time for the pros and cons. So for the pros is that it has a comprehensive range of financial services in one app. And then it also has competitive currency exchange rates and low fees. And it has advanced budgeting and analytics tools. And lastly, it has flexible account plans to suit different needs. And now for the cons would be the monthly fees for the premium and metal account, which may not be justified for all users, and some services and features may not be available in all countries. And lastly would be the limited physical presence and in-person support. So now, in conclusion, Revolut Bank continues to innovate and expand its services, making it a strong contender in the digital banking space. Whether you're looking for a basic banking service, advanced budgeting tool, or the ability to trade cryptocurrency and stocks, Revolut offers a comprehensive solution. While the premium and metal accounts come with additional costs, the features and benefits they provide can be well worth it for frequent travelers and heavy users. Overall, I think Revolut Bank is a solid choice for those seeking a modern, flexible, and feature-rich banking experience. So yeah, that is basically it for the review on the Revolut Bank. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.